The time is right for a quantum engineering degree, and the time is right for a quantum engineering degree at the undergraduate level. In the past decade, we've seen an army of startup companies already investing in the space. Google, IBM, Intel, Amazon. These companies are screaming for graduates, people with an engineering skill set that talk the language of quantum mechanics.
There are a lot of applications for quantum technologies. It's a new way of thinking about things, and therefore that brings a lot of room for design.
By 2040, there will be 16,000 new jobs in quantum technologies just in Australia. Our task is to train the graduates who will be qualified to work and develop this industry. You will get a fully accredited, deeply grounded engineering degree with which you can access all the jobs you will normally access with an electrical engineering degree. Plus, you will be one of the relatively few people who will have the capacity to really get involved and contribute to developing a growing industry.
It's amazing. Quantum is amazing. Yeah.